Hello everybody. Have you seen the huge explosion we had with Findora? Well, let's go through the price action and let's try to understand what's going on. So we can immediately observe the huge amount of volume that we have here, and there's also some volume here, which means that probably there was a first reaction. Oh, there's also some volume here. So let's see if we can apply the Elliott wave theory, and let's see if we can recognize of course, yeah, we have the condition, so we can easily see an impulse here, beginning here, and then that would be the third wave, followed by retracement that does not intersect, does not overlap wave 1, which means everything is moving fine. So now we are expecting the fifth wave here, and we, as it's typical, we have a lot of volume here on the third wave, and then we are expecting less volume on the fifth wave. So after this fifth wave, we are expecting a retracement that's going to be ABC, and potentially all of this could be a first wave of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. So like this, but this could be even too much. So maybe this is not what we are going to have, because we could also have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then an overextended fifth wave like this, and then we collapse. So let's move to a bigger time frame, to the hourly time frame. At this time frame we can immediately see a huge volume here, and we can compare the volume with the previous impulses, and we can see that the volume is getting higher, so which is in harmony with the price increase of price, which means we are not observing a divergence between price and volume, which means that it's still sustainable. This move is still sustainable. Also, we can recognize possibly a first wave here, and this would be the third wave. So we could also expect something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which could be a better, in a more realistic interpretation of a price action. Okay. All of these moves are not impulsive. You can see that at a glance. That's retracements. It's a kind of retracement, or we can say it's a price ranging area. So by extending further, we can see that let's move to the daily, and let's see if we can see some more. Okay, at this point we can see a higher move that could be an ABC, like this. In which case we have to be very careful, because if A, B, and see. And we have to be very careful because this fifth wave, this C wave could be something similar to the previous A wave, which means we have to monitor the progress of this price very closely, very frequently. Let's measure the extension. So we are expecting to get to this price. Okay. Another thing we can observe is that the volume here is more than the volume we have here. But let's see if we have any kind of divergence. First of all, let's see the stochastic RSI, and we can notice that we are overpriced on the daily, but this overprice, as you can see in the past, the overprice could last for some time, and so it's not an indicator for an immediate action. We have to also consider other indicators, but of course this means that we have to be very careful and to let's see the divergence indicator. Divergence indicator is following. On the daily we can see some bullish signal, but which did not work, probably because this indicator has to be better trimmed. Let's go to the 2-day. As you can see, something was detected by on the 2-day time frame. So we can clearly see that we have from this point. Oh, sorry. From this point to this point, we have a divergence, which is close to the bottom, which means that this indicator is very powerful. Okay, it's very powerful. So we have a divergence, and let's see what happened in the past. Let's compare. If we compare with the past, we have a strong divergence because the price fell down quite strongly, and we had a bullish, which means that's an anticipation of RSI index, which was followed by a huge impulse up. That's really impulsive, and it happened in, let's say, in 1 week. But as you can see, there was an acceleration of this move in the end. So you have to be very patient to wait until the end to get the maximum profit. In this case, it could be something similar. Okay, could be something similar, and we already are observing this move up of the RSI. So that's all for now. I will soon make an update on this cryptocurrency in Findora. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So in case you found it interesting and informative, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and put comments. Feel free to put comments and ask me questions so I can try to answer as soon as possible. Until the next time, bye bye.